In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write user stories in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to create a clear, well-structured user story that your team can easily understand and work on. Let's start from your Jira board or project view. Once you're on the screen where you usually see your backlog or your list of issues, look for the Create button, usually located at the top of the page. This is your starting point for adding anything new in Jira, including user stories. Go ahead and click on Create. A new window or panel will open where you can define the details of the item you're about to add. In this new window, you'll see a field where you can choose the type of work item you're creating. By default, it might show something like task, bug, or whatever your project last used. Open that drop-down and select Story as the work type. Choosing Story is important because it tells Jira and your team that this item represents a piece of user-focused functionality, not just a generic task or a defect. Stories usually follow a consistent format and may have fields or workflows tailored for user-focused work. Once Story is selected, you can start filling in the details. Begin with a clear, concise summary that states what the story is about. Think of this as the title your team will see at a glance. Below that, use the description to explain the user story in more detail. A common format is, as a type of user, I want some goal, so that some reason or benefit. This helps everyone understand who the feature is for, what they need, and why it matters. If your Jira setup includes fields like priority, assignee, labels, or components, take a moment to fill those in as well. Setting the priority helps your team know how urgent or important this story is. Adding labels or components can make filtering and reporting much easier later. If your team uses acceptance criteria, write those into the description too. These are simple, testable conditions that must be met for the story to be considered complete. When you've filled in all the necessary information and everything looks good, you're ready to finalize it. Review the summary and description one more time for clarity and spelling, then click on the Create button. Jira will save your new user story and add it to your project, usually appearing in your backlog or on your board, ready for estimation, planning, and development.